So this is the Apple Pencil second generation, not the newly launched Apple Pencil Pro, but all the tips and tricks that I'm going to show in this video is going to work with Apple Pencil Pro also. And yeah, there are extra advanced features for Apple Pencil Pro like squeeze, barrel roll, and haptic feedback, etc., which old Apple Pencil does not support. Anyway, let's get started. Normally, when you write on a paper with a pen, if you want to remove something, you just strike, or some psychos just scratch it. So by using Apple Pencil, you can do the same by just scratching the text to delete it. And if you want to select the text, you can just strike it or just circle it. Now you can also insert text in between by just tap and hold with Apple Pencil and then write the text that you want to insert. You can also insert single space by drawing a vertical line, and also you can do the same to join words or to remove spaces. So these features comes under a feature called Scribble. So what is a Scribble? Well, it allows you to write with an Apple Pencil in any text boxes, and it converts our handwritten to text form. Using this feature, you can write inside Chromebox or Spotlight. You can search for an app. So basically, you can use Scribble anywhere you need to add text. So one thing that I'm really impressed with the iPad is that it does a great job in detecting the handwriting, because look at my handwriting. But yeah, sometimes it misses, but most of the time it does a great job in converting handwritten to text. Now, as I said, you can use this feature throughout iPadOS. Also, some apps do support this feature, and if you want to use this Scribble feature inside Apple Note, you can select this pencil tool which has a letter. Then you can just write with a pencil and it will convert your handwritten to text. Anyway, this Scribble feature also works with most of the third-party stylus for iPad. One of the most useful features of Apple Pencil or any other third-party stylus is note-taking or annotating in PDF or document. Instead of actually converting your handwriting to normal text, you can just annotate a PDF, document, or take a note using an Apple Pencil. And for that, there are a lot of apps. Apple has its own app called Apple Notes, where you can take notes, import a PDF by just copy-pasting the PDF or by dragging or dropping it from Files app. You can do markups like this. You can select different tools. You can switch between eraser tool and pencil tool by just double tapping on the pencil. You can change what a double tap should do in settings. Now this is one of the most exclusive features of Apple Pencil that you don't get with another third-party stylus. Now while taking a note in Apple Pencil, you can also create perfect shapes. I'll explain this feature in the later part of the video. Anyway, you can also sign document using Apple Pencil and also save your signature, which you can use in future. Like Apple Notes, there are also third-party note-taking apps like GoodNotes, Notability, OneNote, which I'm using, and it's an amazing free app for note-taking and annotating PDFs. Here I have wrote something called as client meeting at 10 a.m. in Apple Notes, or something called a client meeting on this Friday. You can see a line under the text. So this is kind of an actionable text. That is, when you tap on this text, you can do some actions. Like here, iPad has recognized that it consists of date or time. And when you tap on it, you can see there are options like create event for a particular date or time, or create reminders, show in calendars, or copy an event, etc. So basically you can create reminders or event on this particular date or time. So I think this is a very cool feature. Now if you have written some phone number in Apple Notes, you can tap on it and it will show options like you can directly call to the number in your iPhone, you can FaceTime it, you can also send messages to Telegram or support app. Now also if you have written some measurement or currency, then it will show the converted value and you can copy it. Now if you have wrote some links, then it will open these links in respective apps. Do you know that you can swipe from bottom right or left corner to access Quick Notes? In pencil setting, we can set either to launch Quick Notes from right or left corner. Here you can also set it to take screenshot. So you can launch Quick Note either by swiping left or right using your Apple Pencil. And now by using Quick Notes, you can easily take some quick notes. You can add links, images, or media to Quick Notes so that you can refer it for future purposes. Now, what if I say that there is another easier way to open notes? That is, just tap on the lock screen with an Apple Pencil. For this to work, I think first you need to go to Settings, Notes, and then turn on Access Notes from lock screen. Also, you can choose either to create a new notes each time when you tap using an Apple Pencil, or resume the last note. So now you can easily open notes by just tapping with an Apple Pencil from the lock screen. One of the most important features of Apple Pencil is that it is sensitive to pressure, also tilt. So more you apply pressure, the thicker the line gets. So as you can see that when you apply more pressure, the line will get more thicker. Also, it is tilt sensitive. So as you can see that when you tilt it, it will get thicker. So when you tilt less, it is less thicker, and when you tilt more, it gets more thicker. So this is a very useful feature for artists or people who just love drawing in the iPad. Another amazing feature of an Apple Pencil is that you can draw perfect shapes by just draw the shape and holding it. It will then automatically replace with a perfect shape. For example, if you want to draw a straight line, just draw it and hold it. Now, in case of rectangle, you can do like this, circle, stars, or any other shape. So I think this is a really great feature. Now this feature works with Apple Notes, Freeform, and also other third-party apps like GoodNote, Notability, etc. It's a pretty handy feature for drawing shapes and even while taking notes. One of the coolest features of Apple Pencil is that in Apple Mails app, you can draw the line drawing or mark up an image or PDF and then send it. So in the Apple Mails app, while composing an email, just tap and hold in the body with an Apple Pencil and you will see an option called Insert Drawing, or just click on the pencil icon. Then you can draw a sketch and send it. So basically you can do anything like visually explaining a diagram or sharing a diagram of a project to the client. You can also mark up an image or a PDF. You just need to import the image or PDF and then just press and hold on it and you will see an option called markup. Select that option. Then you can do markups or annotate the PDF or image and then send it. So I think this is a pretty cool feature. Anyway, that's it for the video. If you like this video, do like, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one. Bye.